Hey everyone, today we're going to touch on a few points to start learning how to do whips. Basically a little bit of a precursor to this skill. We already want to have good air awareness and be quite confident in jumps. On our approach, we want to be nice and settled on the bike, weighted evenly. We want to start looking towards the lip, and maybe depending on what way we're going to whip, whether it's out to the right, out to the left, this could be personal preference or depend on the type of jump. We want to sort of carve out to the outside of the lip a little bit. Bring it back in to start the whip. So with this technique, we want to take things slowly. We don't want to go and try and get big 90 degrees, 10 feet up in the air straight away. We want to take things in small increments, bite-sized pieces. So just sort of starting to turn off the lip a little bit, leaning our weight, and this will naturally bring the back of the bike out, as you've seen through not only today, but previous videos. So once we've taken off the lip and we've got a little bit of sideways action going, we want to spot our landing just like any other jump. Naturally, wherever we look, our body will follow. Wherever our body's going, the bike will follow. So our body is going nice and straight now, and the bike will straighten up. We want to spot our landing and then start looking through the trail. So again, our key points are, we really want to make sure that we've got a nice, comfortable jump that we've done a lot of times. We're not going to get kicked funny off the lip or anything. We want to get a little bit of sideways movement going through our handlebars and maybe our hips. Nice and slow, we're taking it incrementally. Once we've spotted our landing, we've got our handlebars going nice and straight again. We want to look through the trail, not focusing on the ground straight in front of us. That way we're going to get a nice clean path out. So this is definitely a type of skill where we don't want to rush into it. Practice makes perfect, take your time with it. Don't get too excited, but the progress will come. You'll become more confident in getting sideways. Try going other directions, maybe try a few different little techniques here and there, find out exactly what works for you, and rip in.